Behind every accurate test report from Healthians lies a journey of science, skill, and systems working in perfect harmony. From the moment your blood sample is taken, a precise journey begins. One built on trust, technology, and care. Every step matters because every drop of blood holds answers that define your well-being. At Healthians, this journey starts with expertise. From skilled professionals trained to collect your sample with utmost precision. Every action, every protocol is designed for one purpose: accuracy. Because your health report's reliability begins right here, at the very first touchpoint. The sample environment is tightly controlled: temperature, humidity, and time. Every kilometer is monitored in real time, ensuring it reaches the lab exactly as it was collected. Pure, untouched. The sample tracking feature keeps you informed at every moment. You know exactly where your sample is when it reaches the lab and when testing begins. Once the sample reaches the lab, it is verified for integrity. Only after it passes these checks does testing begin. Here, human expertise meets machine precision. Each test is performed using world-class automated equipment, calibrated for the highest level of accuracy. No guesswork, no shortcuts. As your samples are tested, your results begin to unfold, parameter by parameter, in real time. With live reporting, you can see your parameters appear one by one on the Healthians app, as and when they are completed, helping reduce the anxiety of waiting. Every report is more than just a report. It's trust. That's why before it reaches you, it's reviewed by qualified pathologists, ensuring complete accuracy and medical reliability. When the report reaches you, it doesn't just carry numbers, it carries clarity. Clarity that helps you make informed decisions and take control of your health. A summary of results is presented right at the top, giving you a complete snapshot of your health at a single glance. You also get historical charts and parameter-wise comparisons, so you can track how your health has progressed over time. And because transparency is the foundation of trust, Healthians tells you exactly which machines tested your sample, with full details, visuals, and quality control frequency. And it doesn't stop there. Every report is followed by expert guidance from trained health experts, helping you improve, not just know where your health stands. Because your health isn't just about numbers. It's about the life you live and the people you live it with. At Healthians, we ensure every report empowers you to live that life healthier, clearer, and more confident.